Hi, welcome to the first lesson of Digital Marketing ABC. Today we are going to learn about what is digital marketing and why we do marketing. What is the need of marketing? Marketing helps us to create a brand name of any business. Uh, let's suppose we are starting a business. So nobody knows that business. So we need to promote that to create a brand. So all brands, whichever brand we know today, they have done a great marketing. That is why we know them. Next thing is it helps to build personal brand. If you ask me about personal brand, then I will take the name of Mr. Narendra Modi, who is well known celebrity now, and he is more popular than a celebrity just because of his personal branding. Marketing help us to generate leads for business. If you have a business and if you are doing a great marketing, then you will get lots of leads for your business. And marketing always create awareness about your product, service, and about your business, about your founders, CEOs, and all. It is about creating awareness. Marketing also helps to generate more sales for your business, because if you create awareness about your business or product or service, you will get more leads. More people will know about them, about your product, about your service, about your business, and they will uh, inquire for your service, they will inquire for your product, and it will become a lead for you. And after that you can convert them those leads, and it will generate a sale for you. So it is all happening due to the good marketing. What does it mean by digital? Digital means anything which is being done by the use of internet, social media, website, or any form of digital media is called digital. There are some examples of digital things like digital education. Education is being done by the use of digital media, internet, social media, online platforms. Digital ID. The ID is created in the form of digital. The digital governance. The government is running their all things digitally. Digital payment. You are making payment by the use of digital platforms, and so on. There are huge list of digital things, because today we are living in a digital world. Everything is being digital. You can say our business is also a digital. If you have a website, if you have a Facebook page, then you can say that my business is digital, because you are using a digital platform to promote that business. And now we can easily say what is digital marketing. Digital marketing means executing anything related to marketing, means creating awareness, generating leads, promoting your business, or anything you are doing related to marketing by the help of digital media, digital platform, digital services, called digital marketing. How it is different from traditional marketing? It is the most commonly asked question, how it is different from traditional marketing and all, how it can make a difference in our business, why we need yeah, to do digital marketing, and all lots of questions are there. So I would say I found only one difference. Whatever we used to do offline, the same is being done in online, in digital marketing. The only difference is we are using technology and digital services. Whatever we used to do before to promote a business, we are doing the same, but by using technology and digital services. This is the only difference I found. If you ask me what is difference between digital and traditional marketing, this is the main broad difference. There are lots of other differences. We will talk about them in our later session, but this is the first difference which we need to understand to understand digital marketing first. That is, we use technology and digital services to promote our businesses services. So here are some examples, before we used to know that there is a pamphlet, and now that pamphlet has become WhatsApp image, social media image. The banner we used to use, that has become story, website banner, cover page of your social media profiles. TV ads has become online ads, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Insta video ads. Before, people used to buy radio ads, but now they are buying podcast ads, Ghana.com, JioSavan, etc. Celebrity ads has become online influencer ads, and all the commission we get before now has become affiliate commission. So things are same, but they have changed their name just because it is being done digitally. So digital marketing means doing marketing digitally, doing marketing by the use of digital media, digital services, digital platforms, internet, websites, blogs, YouTube, Facebook. All these things are the part of digital marketing. So I hope you got to know about the digital marketing, and so see you. Bye bye. See you in the next lesson.